I've got grandkids, and one of the really special things in life is being able to be there for them. You know, when Christmas time comes around, Papa's workshop becomes Santa's workshop. You can't beat things like that. And being able to make gifts for your kids that they can use, or your grandkids that they can use, and then they pass on to their kids. Then I'm creating a legacy for my family, a legacy of something that'll go on through the generations. You know, that's one of the things I give thanks to Woodwork 101 for, because Woodwork 101 has taught me how to make things like this rocking horse. You see, the videos go through step by step how to make a wide range of things. You learn the techniques, you learn the tricks, and you get to see somebody doing it. You know, you got to see somebody do it to really learn it. A book just doesn't quite cut it. So what's this Woodwork 101? It's a library of online videos that teach you how to make a whole bunch of stuff. I've made presents for my kids, my grandkids, other family members, using their video. And that's, to me, that's a precious thing. That turns my workshop here into more than just some place for me to play around and make sawdust. It turns into something that's a blessing to my family.